Hi everybody, it's Molly Yeh from Girl Meets Farm here, and today I am going to show you how to make my gingerbread snack mix. It's crunchy and sweet, and it has pockets of creaminess from tahini and some nice warmth thanks to gingerbread spice and ginger snaps. It's inspired by this snack mix that I ate all the time when I was a kid. It was always at parties, and it's just addictive. And it also makes a great gift. So I'm going to show you how to package it all cutely. So if you're cooking along with me, make sure you've got your favorite holiday sprinkles. Mine have little gingerbread men inside. And let's get started. So get a pot heating over medium heat and add half a stick of butter. Get this melting. Do you use a lot of butter around the holidays? I use tons of it. And as this is melting, you can add your chocolate chips. Any kind of chocolate chip will do. I really like using milk chocolate chips. I love milk chocolate because of how sweet it is. Next, add half a cup of tahini, which is gonna add delicious nuttiness. Tahini is ground sesames, and it's smooth and rich and creamy. If you don't have tahini, you could totally use peanut butter or almond butter. Any kind of nut or seed butter will do with this, okay? Next, add a good pinch of salt. This will bring out all of the flavors. Add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And you could eyeball this. This isn't rocket science. And then 1.5 teaspoons of gingerbread spice. This makes this version of this snack mix scream holidays. And if you haven't opened up your gingerbread spice since last year, I would recommend replacing it because spices do tend to go bad pretty easily and they just lose their flavor, they lose their character. So do yourself a favor, get a new jar of gingerbread spice for the season. Your flavors will be brighter because of it. Now stir this together as it melts. This comes together really quickly. Can you smell that chocolate? This is gonna become one of your favorite new no-bake holiday desserts. It's definitely one of mine. And it's dangerous. Whenever I make it, I have to get somebody to get it away from me because I can't stop eating it. Now, once all the chocolate has melted and it's nice and smooth, you can turn your heat off. And if you don't want to do this on a stove, you could also melt it in a microwave. Every 30 seconds, you should stop it and give it a little stir. And keep on doing that until the mixture is smooth and melted. Look how smooth and melty that is. And now grab your checkered rice cereal. And you can also grab your GINGERSNAP cookies. We're gonna add those later. And also grab a large bowl. If you have one with a lid, that's even better. Add your cereal to the bowl. And then pour in the chocolate tahini mixture. This looks so good. Now stir it to combine. I like it when this mixture forms nice big clumps. Those are the best bites. While we're stirring, be careful not to crush the cereal. You want to keep it intact. Now, once you have combined the cereal and your chocolate tahini mixture, grab your powdered sugar and sprinkle in about 3/4 cup. It seems like a lot of powdered sugar at first, but it'll make it really good. And stir it around. And once it's mostly combined, you can add another 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. And at this point, I find it's easiest to toss it by putting the lid on the bowl and just shaking it up and down. You can also make this in a huge zip top bag. So get the lid on and then shake it. This is a heavy bowl. We're earning it. How is it looking? Do you guys think we should taste it now and not even wait for the recipe to be finished? Yes. Oh, that's good. All right. So you want to make sure that all of the chocolatey bits are coated in powdered sugar. So if you see any bits that are kind of darker and you can see a lot of the chocolate, toss it a little bit so that it gets coated in the sugar. This is so good. It's looking and tasting great, isn't it? Right. Now to finish this off, let's crumble in some ginger snap cookies. These are gonna go so well with that gingerbread flavor. Now with these ginger snaps, add as many as you want. I'm using store-bought. They're extra crispy, but you can also use homemade. And now let's add a little color with some candy-coated chocolates. And sprinkles. Just sprinkle them right in. Are you guys having as much fun as I am? Now toss these to combine, and that's it. Well, and then we devour. And how fun and colorful is that? And easy. Okay, this is the best piece. When it comes together like this, it's like a snowball. Whoever gets that piece is lucky. It's gonna be. Now we're gonna make this into cute gifts for this holiday season. So grab a cute jar. Any jar is made cuter with an adorable tag and a bow. Just an FYI. And you can use your scoop left over from the powdered sugar. I love that gingerbread spice in there. It's so warm and just screams holidays. I don't know if I even want to give this away. It's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed making our gingerbread snack mix. It is the ultimate edible gift. Your friends and family are gonna love you even more if you give this to them. Enjoy, you guys.